Oh no, the market crashed. What's up, everybody? Today I want to talk about why I really don't care if the market crashed and how that kind of plays into my mining strategy. Why I pick mining over just straight investing into cryptocurrency. What's up? John Charette here. I get messages like crazy when the market crashes going, oh no, what's going on? Should I invest? Should I not invest? Here's the deal. It really doesn't have a whole lot to do with mining. If I had to cash out tomorrow, I'd lose some money, right? But I play a long-term game. I mine cryptocurrency and I don't cash out every week, every month. I do a mine and hold. Here, let's go look at what happened to Bitcoin. This is normal. I mean, I tell people that when the entire market goes up and down and fluctuates, who cares? Some shit happened on January 31st. Some regulations are coming out in the US. It makes it so they have to track how many transactions are happening. It's all good. I mean, it doesn't really affect us too much. But the market freaks out. They go, oh no, regulations, sell, and everything crashes. As you can see right about here, everything dropped down, and then it's coming back up. Like, it takes a little time as people get confident again in cryptocurrency as a whole. It changes here. Let's go look at what every single cryptocurrency is in the green. So, I mean, 2 days ago, everything was in the red, and like it doesn't bother me too much. If people get scared and they go, "Oh no, I just bought all this mining equipment or the mining, and I mean the value drops," it doesn't matter because you're still earning the same amount of coins. When I do want to sell my coins, well, I wait for a good time. I mean, the best part is if one currency is doing poorly, I trade it into an exchange for another currency, something that's more stable. I did this just recently. I had a bit of Z Classic, and I've been mining that for about a month now. It's great. I'll show you here on the profitability. Where is Z Classic? Here's Z Classic here. It's sitting at like $113 US right now. Back when I started, it was sitting at like 180, 200, and I was like, yeah, woo. As you can see, it goes up and down, up and down. I'll wait until it comes back up before I sell it. This one in particular, they're changing to Bitcoin private at the end of this month. Things are going to transition, stuff's going to happen. So I've actually taken some of my Z Classic and converted it into Bitcoin. So I know Bitcoin is there. It's the biggest one. It's this, in essence, the most stable of all of them. Here, I'll show you the website I use. It's called whattomine.com. When I decide what I'm going to mine, it's pretty neat. So I just literally at the top here, you can pick what kind of video card you have. So my main first rig was 6 RX 480s. I select it and I say, okay, I want to check all the different coins for all these different hash types. Calculate. The most profitable one for that rig is Ethereum, and it'd make me $16 a day. Okay. My angle and strategy is always pick the second or third most profitable one because everyone else is mining the top one. And in the mining world, the more people that mine that coin, the difficulty increases, so you get less coins. So the strategy is try and pick something that's, second, third, fourth on the list. It's still paying out quite well. You see, I mine Pearl and I get $15. It's like a 50-cent difference a day. Less people are doing it, so I'd rather stick with that one and kind of fly below the radar a bit. It's cool. I mean, same thing. It fluctuates. Here, let's see what Pearl's doing. Okay, so Pearl, when I started mining Pearl, it was about $2. Yeah, about here. Right around the new year-ish, maybe about 50, something like that. I'm lying. I started this months ago. I've been mining Pearl for months and months and months. It was about $1. Yeah. Now I remember. Okay, so it's been about 3 months I've been mining Pearl. I say that because, check it out. Whenever you're mining in a pool, you can always see how much you've mined, how fast you're mining. Go here. So I'll show you guys what's going on. So here, I've mined 637 Pearl. Okay, so if we go back Okay, so right now that's worth, okay, let's say $1.50 US. Okay, so what's $1.50 USD to Canadian? Okay, so let's say $1.86. Okay, let's do $1.86 times 637. Okay, I have about $1,000 in Pearl. If I sold it right now, back here, it was worth $4 US, right? So 450. It really kind of changes, and I'm confident that I'm gonna hold on to Pearl. Like I say, when I started, it was at $1, so even right now, it's dropped down, market crash. It's at $1.45. Awesome. Like, it doesn't bother me at all. I'm not paying my bills with my cryptocurrency mining, and I want to really hand that home. Like, it's not something that I'm using. I don't need that money. Okay. Other businesses, other passive income that I have coming in that I use that. Cryptocurrency is a little bit too volatile right now. It's more of I want to just mine it and hold on to it, because I expect that in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, okay, it'll be worth quadruple this amount. I'll go buy a car with it. I'll pay off the house. Like, that's the big term. If you want something that's getting you more, day-to-day, monthly. I mean, our doTERRA business pays out weekly with one of the payments, and then monthly the other. That's pretty sweet. That helps out. And then, I mean, selling products on Amazon, Shopify, like that stuff that you see get paid every 2 weeks. That's where you want to be. I'll get into some of that stuff later. Right now, I'm going to go back and show you the website, back to what to mine. So if I then take off those cards, and I have one GTX 1080 and 7 1080 Ti's. This computer right here that I'm recording this on is actually one of them. So I say calculate. Okay. I mine Z Classic, see second on the list again. See what I'm doing? Okay. And I'm getting $37 a day US. Now, 2 weeks ago, that was $75 a day US. And so, you see how you can get caught up in how much you're going to make every day in the micro versus the macro, right? I'm looking at it as more of a long-term investment. If today I'm only making 30 seconds, I don't care. I know that it'll grow eventually, and it'll be worth more money. So this is Z Classic. So I mine 5,300 hash or souls per second, and then down here to give me my estimated rewards. So I can look, and it says here, I was going to make $35, $36 a day. Awesome. And right now, it's estimating that I'll make $1,100 US a month. Quick calculation on that, $1,100. So we're looking at $1,400 a month. Okay, so and that is with Z Classic being pretty crappy right now because it just crashed. It's coming back up. So, I mean, if it even levels back out, that's how easily I'll be pulling in $2,000 just with that rig, the new one that I built downstairs. And that's the target. That's the calculation I use before I build a rig. I go, okay, what's going on with the market right now? What are the type of coins that I can get? What is the worst I can make? I mean, this is fluctuating now from $1,300 a month up to, I can make up to about $3,000 a month if, as it was a couple weeks ago. I was like, yeah, this is awesome. It didn't last. It's fine. Like, say it'll come back. If I spend about $10,000 for that system, okay, from here I'm making even $1,300, $1,500 a month, and it takes me 8 months to pay it up. Who cares, right? It's such a small term in a return on investment, in my opinion. If it takes 5 months, like say my last rig took 5.5 months, awesome. Even if it takes 10 months, even a year, in my opinion, still worth it. Okay, that's basically my strategy. This is the website I use. I check on the price. I try not to watch it too much. I try not to stress over, oh no, it's going up and down. I mean, the only warning is if only one coin, if the coin you're mining crashes, well, you have a little bit of a problem, because usually that only happens if the development team or something about the technology gets screwed up and the project dies and no one's doing it anymore. That would make the crash. Kind of like I explained, it's all about the business, right? If that business falls apart, well then their stock price, their coin price will drop, and then that's a problem. So that's it. I just want to kind of give you an inside scoop. I have another video I'm making about essentially 3 ways to start mining. And I want to go through the whole process, the pros and cons, and kind of break that down. It'll be a little bit longer video. I just wanted to throw this one in just because the market crashed. Guys, don't freak out. It's totally fine. Just keep mining. That's it. Mine and hold. Mine and hold. All right, see you later.
Thanks again for watching. If you want to learn more about earning passive residual income, please subscribe. I'm here to pass along my knowledge so you can take action. See you next time.